Physics, mechanics, projectiles. Did you try them? And how were they?
Like
You're shaking your
this
head.
one is simple, right? Just 50 cos 50, 50 sin 50.
I added in one extra question. So there's 6. I did that last night. It's okay. Right, the first one. What is the maximum height and range of projectile fired at 50-50? Okay, so in the first one here, oh yeah, and also I have one question to do from the last one too. I'll do that as well. Okay, so it's fired here at 50 meters per second, an angle of 50 degrees. Oh, I'll turn the light off just a moment. And 50 cos 50. So this one here is 32.14 meters per second, and 50 sine 50, 50 sine 50. So this one here is 38.3 meters per second. Okay, so firstly I would like to know. Hey, you made it. Bus trouble? Which bus do you get? 16. Okay, so UVATS. Should I look at X or Y?
You want have to look at the range and height, so both.
Yeah, so I'll do the Y first. 38.3 minus 9.81, 0. Yeah, so I'm looking at the Y. No? Yes? So you have S equals UT plus a half AT squared, 0
Hey,
equals.
if you want to find the height, the V is 0, right?
I'm getting the range first,
Okay.
actually, yeah. Yeah, sorry, I know I should be the other way. I'm getting the this one first.
Oh, that means the X first?
Alright, no, I'll just get the maximum height first, it's confusing people. Right, I'll get this one first. U 38.3 V 0 A minus 9.81. Happy?
Yes.
Very good. V equals U plus AT. 0 equals 38.3 minus 9.81 T. So T equals 38.3 divided by 9.81. So I get T is 3.9 seconds. And now I can get the S, which is UT plus a half AT squared, which would be 38.3 times 3.9 minus 9.81 over 2, 3.9 squared. Yeah? Then S equals. This is the maximum height now. 38.3 times 3.9 minus 9.81 over 2 times 3.9 squared. So 74.76. Did you get that?
No.
What did you get?
You mean
The,
maximum?
yeah.
Maximum height minus 74.8.
Minus?
Yeah. Because my time is different.
What's your time?
7.8.
No, that's the time to here.
But isn't this supposed to be...
Did you make V0 or S0?
No. I use different.
Yes, you should use this V for the maximum height. Yes?
Is it supposed to be negative cause the S? But it's height, right? So height doesn't matter if it's negative.
This is what I'm doing. I'm doing it like this.
Okay.
Yeah. But you're right, height should be positive anyways.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, can I do the next part of this?
No.
So for the next part, U V A T S. Right, so the U 38.3, the V don't know, A minus 9.81, T we don't know, and S is 0. That's for this part now, to here. So I'll use my formula, S equals UT plus a half AT squared. So I get 0 equals 38.3 minus a half of A, so that's 4.405, isn't it? No. 4 point, oh my goodness, I'm tired. 4.905 T here, squared here. Alright. So here, I think this is what you got, Amanda, 7.81 seconds. So now you want to look at the horizontal. U is 32.14. V we don't know. A is 0. T we do know now. T we know is 7.81. And S is what we want. So you can have S equals UT plus a half AT squared. The A is 0. So you have S equals UT. But the S is the range. So the range equals, so this is 32.14 times 7.81. 251 meters. That's the range. Is that okay, Grace? You make a mistake?
No, I didn't get it.
Oh my goodness, why not?
I don't know how to do it.
Oh,
Can
okay.
I check because I don't know. I'm just sure it's the same. But
Which part?
this
Maximum height?
yeah.
Correct. 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 So V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. V squared minus fundamental. V squared minus U squared over 2A. Minus. No plus. Because this number is minus, isn't it? And this number is minus.
Yeah, but I type in the
Well, who do you think is right? You or the calculator? You. Look. 0 squared minus 38.3 squared over 2 times minus 9.81.
yeah.
You did something wrong.
I don't know.
So it's plus.
Oh.
Okay. Alright. Next question? Yes, can I do the next one?
Yes.
Yep. Right. Number 2, a boy kicks. Now I added one question in, but I don't remember where I added it. Did you do this one, number 2?
No.
Is this the one I added?
Yes.
Yeah. So a boy kicks a bottle off a cliff. It's 100 meters above the ground. The angle is 30 and the speed is 20. Okay, so what's happening here in my number 2? Cliff, and then the boy kicks it, and the angle is 30, and the speed is 20. And the mountain here, the hill, is 100 meters. And yeah, that's everything. So, okay, first part, you want this one, which is 30 cos 20, 20 cos 30. So that is 17.32 meters per second. And then the other one is 20 sine 30, which is 10 meters per second. So if I look at the y, the ball's going to go up and crash down here. What's the u? 10. V, don't know. A, minus 9.81. T, we don't know. And F?
Minus 1.
Very good. I want the T. So which formula? F equals?
Wait, I don't understand. What are you looking for again?
How far it travels.
Okay, so why is the U10? Oh, I
Oh,
see.
vertical.
So, so the starting is 10, isn't it?
Vertically.
Okay, so doesn't that mean the V is 0?
Which V?
The final velocity, because when it goes up, it stops, right?
No, I'm going all the way to the ground.
Oh, okay.
To here.
Okay.
Yeah. S equals ut plus a half at squared minus 100 equals 10 t plus a half a t squared. So you have 4.905 t squared minus 10t minus 100 equals 0. What's the name of Grace? What's the name of this equation? Do you know? Begins with a Q. What? No? Yes, that would. Quadratic. So you get two answers here. The first answer is 5.65. The second answer is negative. So forget about it. So finally now we can get the range here. The range equals Fx, which is ut plus a half at squared, but that part's 0. So it's just going to be 17.32 times 5.65. So you get 97.9
What's R?
meters. The range.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. On to number 3, which I think is your number 2. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah? No. Maybe?
The range is at X, right?
Horizontally.
If it's less, does that mean it's negative?
Possible, yes.
6.5.5.
Here?
Yeah.
5.65.
5.6.
Yeah. No, next one. You did the baseball one. A baseball player hits a baseball bat with his bat at a speed of 44 and an angle of 40. How far does the baseball travel? So 40 and 44. Okay. And then he goes, hits the bat. So the ball goes up and then comes back down. But what you have to be careful about here is it starts at 0.9 meters. What did I say the speed was?
44.
44.
Yeah.
And the angle?
40 degrees.
Okay, so this would be 44 cos 40, 44 sine 40. 44 cos 40, so that is 33.71 meters per second. And then 44 sine 40, 28.28 meters per second. Okay, so first I'll get the time. U, V, A, T, S. The U is 28.28. The V we don't know. A minus 9.81. T we don't know. And S, if I want to go to here,
Minus 0.9.
yeah. So we can go straight into S equals U T plus a half A T squared. So again, this
plus
is,
or minus?
well, it's negative, so I
Oh.
just said plus, but it's plus a minus number. That one, that one, that one. So when you solve this, you get T equals 5.8 seconds. So now we can do the horizontal. U is 33.71, V we don't know, A is 0, T is 5.8. So the range is S, which is UT plus a half AT squared. That part's gone. So the range is 33.71 times 5.8. So then the range is 196 meters. Okay, did you get that?
195.518.
Yes, 100% correct. Good job. Okay, next one. Amanda, you didn't get this?
No,
What
I
is
get similar.
how similar?
195.46. So it's
That's fine.
similar.
It's fine. It's fine. All right. Next, the goalkeeper kicks a football at 45. The ball has a range of 50. How fast did he kick it? So this one's interesting because it's going backwards. You don't know the speed. You know the angle. So this one here is x cos 45, which will be x over root 2. And then here, this is x sine 45. And what do I say the range is? What's the range? I think I said 50 meters. So how fast did he kick it? So what's the x? Okay. So first let's get the time. U, V, A, T, S. U, x over root 2. V, we don't know. A, minus 9.81. T, we don't know. And S is 0. S equals U, T, plus a half A, T squared. So we get this minus this. So the time divided by square root 2, if you take that over. Yeah, no, actually maybe I should make it a bit clearer what I'm doing. So here you get x over root 2 equals 4.905t. So then that means t equals x over 4.905 root 2. 1 divided by 4.905 root 2. So here you get t equals 0.1442x. You don't know the x. But you do know, if I can go down, you do know the next part, kind of, the range. U is x over root 2. V we don't know. A is 0. T is 0.1. Well, we'll leave it for a moment. S is 50. So you have S equals UT plus a half AT squared. That's gone. S is 50. U is this. And then the T is this. So here we get 50 root 22 over 0.1442, that's equal to x squared. 50 root 2 divided by 0.1442, square root the answer, and I got x is 22.14 meters per second.
Can you make this small?
Like this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. No good. No good.
I don't know if we got all the time.
Terrible. Okay, can I go to the next one? No?
No.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay, next one. 5. A diver jumps from a high board which is 3 meters high, her angle is 60 and her speed is 5. What's her maximum height? Okay. So we have a high board, and this is 3 meters, and you climb up, and then you jump. Sorry, she. And then she goes up and down. Ooh. So we want to know the maximum height here. I think I say the speed is 5 meters per second and the angle is 60 degrees. So this one is 5 cos, 5 sine. 5 cos 60, which is 2.5 meters per second, and 5 sine 60, which is 4.33 meters per second. So at the top, you know the v is 0. Okay, so you have u, v, a, t, s, u 4.33, v 0, a minus 9.81, t we don't know, s we don't know. V squared equals u squared plus 2as. 0 equals 4.33 squared minus 2a, well, yeah, plus with a minus here, if you prefer, s. So I got here s is 0.9556 meters, but that's not her maximum height. What do I need to do now? What should I do to this number? Is this the answer? No. I should add 3. So the maximum height is 3.96 meters, for example. Yeah. Next one. A cannon fires a cannonball at a pirate ship. The cannon is at the top of a 300-meter cliff. It fires at an angle theta. Okay, so let me draw this so far. So this is 300 meters. And then here is my cannon. And we want to hit a pirate ship. Oh yeah. Then we put our little flag on top. Beautiful. So the cannonball wants to hit the ship. Now you know that the ship is, let's see, 200 meters away. Yeah, and the speed here, the cannonball is 33.3 meters per second. No, just 33. Yep. Now for this question, I don't want you to find theta. I just want you to make an equation with theta in it, so that if you could solve it, you know the answer. So here the angle is theta, so we have this one here, and then this one here. So this one would be 33 cos theta, and then up here, 33 sine theta. Okay? So we'll look at the y first, because we know this distance here. So u, v, a, t, s, the u, 33 cos theta, v we don't know, a is 0, t we don't know, s is 200. Isn't, yeah?
Is what?
Oh, I meant to say x. Yep. So here we can say s equals ut plus a half at squared. The a is 0. 200 equals 33 cos theta times t. So the t is 200 over 33 cos theta, which equals 200 divided by 33. So if you want, you can write that as 6.06 over cos theta. That's the time. The time is 6.06 over cos theta.
So is that the final answer?
No, goodness no. Because this equation has two unknowns in it. We couldn't solve this for theta. So there's a second half. By the way, if the theta was, for example, 0, how long would it take to hit the pirate ship?
200.
No, 6.06 seconds.
Oh.
Yeah, can you see that?
Mhm.
What if the theta was 90 degrees? How long would it take to hit the pirate ship?
Never.
Never, because what's cos 90? Cos 90?
0.
0. Divide by 0, that's infinity. So it'll never hit the ship. Anyway, next part is now we look at the y. U is 33 sine theta. V is don't know. A is minus 9.81. T we do know from here. It's 6.06 divided by cos theta. And the S, what's the S? It's what is it?
200.
Minus
Minus
300.
going down.
Yeah.
Because it's gonna hide at the end, right?
Yeah, it's going down 300.
But then
Yeah.
it goes up a little bit and then goes down, right?
Oh, don't forget what S stands for.
Oh right, it is.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll use S equals ut plus a half at squared again. I'll write it over here. I'll put a line or something. S equals ut plus a half at squared. So minus 300 equals 30. Minus 300 equals 33 sine theta times t, which is 6.06 over cos theta, plus a half a t squared, which is 6.06 over cos theta. So you get minus 300 equals (200) sine theta, this number times this number, minus 180.1 over, sorry, that's sine over cos, and then this one here is cos squared theta. Now I don't like the cos squared here. Well, you know what? No, actually I'll just leave it like this. Minus 300. Does anyone know what sine over cos is? Sine over cos is
Sun times tan.
tan.
Yeah.
So we get 200 tan theta plus 180.1 times 1 over cos squared theta minus 300 equals 0. Now I don't need you to solve this. That's not what I asked you to do. I just said in the question to make the equation. Did you write this down? Yep. In semester 2, in maths, you can solve it. In semester 1, no. Okay. What's wrong? Did you write this equation down? Yeah, because I need you to read it back to me. Let me just check one thing. Sine. No. Function. 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 The angle in radians is... Okay. Right. Angle. 0. Equation. Can you read the equation to me? What's the equation? 200 200 times tan theta. Oh, slow down. Plus 180 times 1 over cos. Right. And finally? Minus 300? Yes? Yeah. So if I use 0, it doesn't equal 0. If I try an angle of 1 degree, it's still not 0. So this is one way to solve it. We can keep trying angles until it equals 0. So we'll go all the way down to, we know 90 doesn't work, so we'll stop at 89. 88, 89. Okay. So have a guess. What type of angle do you think? Maybe something like 40 degrees, 45, something like this. So we'll keep going up until we see something that's nearly zero. So negative, 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 negative. Oh,
Negative.
nothing. It's Wait,
That's
wait. Now,
zero.
it's something happening here because it goes from being negative to positive.
Yeah.
So there's some angle here.
88 point something.
Yes. So what we'll do is instead of increasing by 1 degrees, we'll increase by 0.1 degrees. Oh, okay. Maybe. Okay, let's try now. Oh, getting closer. It goes from negative to positive here. So let's increase by 0.01 degrees. Oh, somewhere here. So we'll increase by 0.001. So, do you get what I'm doing here? I'm trying to guess the answer. So you can see that the answer is some angle that must be around about 86 degrees. One more, for fun.
Yeah, that's the one down.
Oh. No. So, 86.5824 will be the value that makes it nearly zero in the equation. Yeah. Do you get what I was doing here? Yeah. So yeah, now I don't ask you to solve it, but you can see that it's about 86.6, the angle. Theta is about 86.6 degrees. Okay, I want to do that question from yesterday that I skipped at the end.